Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. In today's lesson, we will learn about how to use subtitles, creating subtitles using our video in timeline inside DaVinci Resolve. Creating subtitles is a very important to make a very impressive video. And in DaVinci Resolve, if you have studio versions, you must use these features. You can make a very fashionable subtitles, and it will impress your clients too much, dear friends. If you want to use a subtitle inside your video in DaVinci Resolve Studio version, you are at the right place, dear friend. Today's lesson, we will learn all the settings about creating subtitles using our audio in DaVinci Resolve. Don't skip any steps. All steps are very important here. Once you learn, so it will be very helpful, dear friend. That's why this class is very special today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into DaVinci Resolve in our desktop. Hello, dear friend. We are now inside timeline in DaVinci Resolve here. First, when you open, so you have to just click, drag the video here. You know if you are an intermediate or you have followed my some of my classes. Now we come here. You see timeline. Actually, here you see all these tabs are open here. DaVinci Resolve, file, edit, trim. Here you have to come here to timeline. Here you just click here. Now you have to come to timeline and search subtitles. You see here audio, add audio only, transition. We don't need this razor speed. This we have to come here. You see here create subtitle from audio. This from here we will create subtitles. We have already, you see, I have a video here, a video with audio from my speed editor class here. When I bought a speed editor from DaVinci Resolve, I got a studio version, 2 licenses, means for 2 systems, whole life free DaVinci Resolve. So we come here for this, we will use this video for our subtitles. So we come here. Now once again I show you, we come here, just create subtitle. Just we will click here, create. Now you see here audio auto. We will if you can change language from here if you want, a German, Italian. You see here there are various languages. This language you can add. It means it will be translated, but I know only original. Okay, auto, I speak in English, so I auto, it's auto. From here subtitles default, you can change Netflix, tele text, this, but I use this subtitle default. Always it will be on default. This character per line, don't touch this, it's okay. Line single, if you want to use multiple line, use multiple line. It will be multiple double line, 2 lines, but single line is good for readings. It's very clear. So the frames it will be always 0. Don't touch this, and we create. Click here, create. Now see, DaVinci Resolve is analyzing and initializing our creating subtitles here. Very soon we will have subtitles here. You see now we have subtitles appeared here. You see here. You see now I read. Just see my video. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's lesson, we will learn how to download the studio versions. Before that, I was using the DaVinci Resolve free version for 2 years. I have been using, dear friends. In the last video, I have already updated and unpacked that. You see now this timeline now in our video, it's appearing here. So all now we want to actually customize. You see this is default, so we come here to customize. You just click here. So here you see subtitle. We can adjust, we can correct from here. For example, I want to use comma here, so I will use comma here. You see hello comma here, hello dear friend, and here I want to use comma, and my name is Rakesh, so I will use capital letter, first letter capital Rakesh here. You can use like in this way, full stop. No, in this way you can customize here, you see, and there are lots of settings here, customize options you have. From here you can change. Now you see here, from here I can change the color. For example, I want this color, it will be this color. Okay, now you see I have changed the color from here. And regular, if you want bold, it will be bold here. You see now our letter is bold. From there are lots of fonts, any font you can use. I use default font here. There are lots of, if you know our from text lesson, text class we have in the playlist, go and see. From text class you can learn, you can do a lots of customization. You can change the size from here. You see, make a smaller and bigger subtitles will be bigger here. And here from you font case mixed, if you want to all caps capital, it will be capital. You see here, from here you can change. all lowercase, all will be small letters, all letters, you see, all are small. And small caps, you see, small caps means here first letter is capital, other is small, you see, like a small here. But I like here title caps, it will be like title caps, you see, first a small, second letter is a capital here, you see, this is a good, you can use this for. But here we come here title caps, we mix is good for lessons here, for big sentence. But according to your requirement, you can change from here. Alignment, you can align left and right. If you want to left, you say right, in capital it will be capital. This, in this way you can align. Position, you can change position, you see here x y, you see position up and down. From here directly you can change up and down. Here you see, I want, for example, our subtitle here on the up, it will be up, you see, I'm just dragging. No, I want to drag here to down, because subtitle is always down side here, near here, it's a good. And I can change here position. In this way you can change every settings here, you know, you can change the size bigger and smaller. This is actually, I am telling only the setting of one subtitles here, this sentence which I have spoken from here to here, you see. And this is Rakesh here once again. You see, here it has not changed. Here it has default only. Here this is our customize. If you want to change all custom to our customize subtitles here like this, which I have here added, you have to come to our here to track here actually. You see track. I will just undo here. So we come here to track actually. In if you change in track, this is a caption. In track, if you change, it will be applied to your all subtitles here, here. It will track all answers. So always use a track. If you want to change subtitle in the specific box only here in specific sentences here, and you can do from here directly. But I want to use all this setting to here. So we come here, our font is here open sans. I will not change the font, but you can change. For example, I want this font, it will be like this font. Okay, this font is open sans condensed. Okay, I like this font, no problem. And you can size here, this size is okay for me. Okay for me. For example, put here just in default, it will be bold. If you want regular, size will be regular. Okay, so you can try which size do you like, bold, regular, extra bold, you see, extra, italic, light, it will be light, you try. But if bold is okay, okay, bold is okay, we will change the size here. Okay, we will change, it will be smaller. Big you know, big subtitles are not good and text places. So line spacing, you have several line, you can here line spacing, make line spacing here if you have several sentences, but we don't need line spacing. And the front, you know everything. And now we can actually add stroke. If you want to here you can change color, or I want to this subtitle to like this. Okay, this color is good. Okay, this color is good. And here I can stroke, we can give red stroke too. For example, we can give this dark something. Okay, and stroke you can make this like in this way, you see, I'm making a stroke, you see, here I'm changing a stroke. Okay, it's okay, stroke is okay. Now we come to outside only. If you want to stroke outside, it will be outside. So this stroke is okay. Try one by one yourself. No transform, actually this is the where we will change. I want to make this like here, and I want to put our subtitles here downside here, you see, here it will be beautiful. Here you can change opacity like here, you see, opacity like it will be lighter. But I like this default. Okay, and you can use drop shadow to your, it will be drop shadow, and you can change the color of drop shadow from here, like something like this color. Okay, and now it's a good feature in DaVinci Resolve, you can use background. You see, now we have added background. So our background color, I want to take red. Okay, I will take red here from here, you see, we have added red background. Okay, we have something, we take this like this background. Okay, this is good, green. Now we can outline, we can add in our background, we can take red something. Outline, you can width, you can increase decrease here, you see. Now outline, we have, you see, we have added our outline here, you see, red, our it is green something, say, sky blue something color here. So corner you can add like this, you see, make this corner, you see, like this fashionable corner, round corner. And opacity here from you can color, you see, it will be transparent. I want to make little bit transparent, you see,
opacity, otherwise it's okay. But I used something, yes, this is beautiful here, everything okay. Now we have changed everything, color, we have added text here. On every sentence you can, from here you can adjust. If you have any mistakes for tutorial class I want to make fast, but if you have any mistake, dear friend, just from here you can actually correct the sentence here. Dear friend, if this class is useful, please consider me, dear friend, favor me on YouTube to spread this video to the wider audiences and grow me. Subscribe the channel once, like, comment, share this, dear friend. So we come here, now everything is okay. You see, everything is okay here. We have used line spacing, subtitles, opacity, overriding size. It will be overriding size. No, I don't like overriding. It will override the size here. You see, it will, so it's not good. It's a okay, okay, everything is okay. Stroke outside only, stroke will be outside. No, it's okay. We have used our subtitles here. No, I play. No, I play and see, in this way you can apply this subtitle to your video.
Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's lesson, we will learn how to download the studio versions. Before that, I was using the DaVinci Resolve free version for 2 years. I have been using, dear friends. In the last video, I have already updated and unpacked that DaVinci Resolve speed editor. This box is here with me in my hand, dear friend. In the last class, in 2 classes, we have unpacked, and I have already shown
You see how this beautiful, you see how this beautiful, now our text is appearing subtitle here. In this way you can use subtitle to your video here, and your video will be very beautiful. Try, and I have already told you in the settings you can change the language from there. Some languages are available. If this is your language which you will use, you want to use, just try in the setting initially, and in this way you can try this subtitle, dear friend. This is actually our subtitle class here. Captions, you have now understood the difference between caption and track. Track means you will change anywhere, it will be applied to your all subtitles here, in this box, everywhere. You see this setting says appear here everywhere. But in caption you can change something in a specific here. For example, in caption, I am not satisfied by here the size, we can change the size from here actually. So you, if you want to, again you want to change everywhere your size, you can make here, you see position from here to here. In this way you can drag from here to here, you can drag up and down. We have understood from this class now. And we can zoom here, you see zoom, it will be bigger, smaller. And XY, if you want to zoom one side, it will be zoomed one side, you know. So dear friend, this is the class about our this how to create subtitles, and we will have now how to use transcribe, how we can use a text based editing. Using transcription we can edit our video. We have tutorial in the last class, we have already go to playlist and see that tutorials. That class is very important. You know how you can edit very fast in DaVinci Resolve using your text, or your audio will be converted into text, and using that text you will be very easily edit your video very fast, dear friends. If you have a studio version, use this premium features.
Hello, dear friend. Today we learned about how to use subtitle, creating subtitles from our audio, and we can design this subtitle according to our requirement inside the timelines, and we make a fashionable subtitles. It makes your video very impressive. Use these subtitles in your timeline. Try in your video, dear friend. Take a video or old video from your mobile, from old mobile, and from anywhere, and try and write me in the comment box. So how did you apply all these settings? Don't forget to subscribe the channels, dear friends. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you, and share these channels to those friends who are actually needs of such type of tutorials about the DaVinci Resolve. We will have lots of tutorials on our playlist. Go to the playlist and see all, and write in the comment. And if you want any type of improvements from me, write in the comment box. I will try hard to satisfy you, dear friends. Take care. We meet in the next class.